How to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can transfer money from your PayPal account over to your bank account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you'd like to transfer money from PayPal to your bank account, all you have to do is first of all just launch the PayPal app here. Then once you launch the PayPal app, first of all you want to make sure that you've added a bank account. If you've not added, you want to just come to the wallet icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you come to the wallet tab from the bottom right, just tap the plus icon from the top of the right next to the card. And once you tap the plus icon, here you'll find a section such as bank accounts or debit and credit cards. So basically if you want to add a bank account and withdraw it, make sure to just tap the bank account option here, and then all you need to do is simply go to their website, log into your PayPal account. Here it will just ask you to a page where you can simply go ahead and verify the captcha, then log into the account. After you've done that, you're going to be successfully logged in, and then you can simply enter the bank account you want to transfer to, and then you should be good to go from there on. But to give you a basic idea of the context, this is how you can transfer money from PayPal to your bank account. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.